When somebody, whether it's a prospect, whether it's a customer, whether it's your boss, or some jabroni in your office that likes to bust your chops, when somebody is rude to you, when somebody says something really terrible in a meeting, or a client is like, we're never gonna pay for this, you're gonna have, your inclination is gonna wanna punch back. Don't actually punch them, but verbally you're gonna wanna punch back fast. Just do that, okay? The next time somebody's being difficult to you in a meeting, well, Dave, there's no way we're gonna get this thing approved with the rates you guys are charging. I don't think so. It's the exact same rates that we had last term. What are some of your thoughts here? Slow down before you answer. Hey Dave, there's no way we're gonna get this approved with the rates that you guys are charging this time. I don't think so. It's the exact same rates you paid last year. Now we're in a fight, okay? Nothing is gonna shut somebody down that's being difficult with you better than you not saying anything. Just look at them for 3 beats, okay? Slow down. They're going to start to retract. They're going to start to think. The more we give people a fast answer, whether they're being a jerk or not, the less credibility we're going to have. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.